Hi there, Kevin from Pinnacle Eco Clean. Just want to show you something really quickly about a type of fabric and furniture that we have in for cleaning in our shop today. By coincidence, we have two chairs in here that are both the same type of material. And I apologize for any noise in the background. We're a working shop, rug washing and so forth, so there's a little bit noise in the background. Getting back to our chairs, these are made out of a material called the Jacquard fabric. Jacquard was invented by the guy whose last name was Jacquard in around 1804 in France. He came up with this loom that I'll talk about in a moment. But you can see, looks very nice on the outside. I refer to this fabric sort of as the mullet of fabrics, and you'll see why in a moment. I'm not being disrespectful at all, but you know, when hockey players love to wear their mullets, in the front it's all business like this, very nice. But in the back, you open it up and you see it looks like kind of a mess. So you can see the different colors of material. So what happens is there's a floating weave here. See this material that's just kind of floating, it's not even attached. When it's needed, it's punched through to the surface, and then you see the color pink and green. And then it goes back under and starts floating till the next dot to make up these other colors, and so on through the process. So these pieces, both these chairs are identical in construction. As you can see, if I open this pillow, the same thing. You got all that extra material floating across the surface and then being pulled up right there for that little green dot or the gold colored dot. All right. So the things to watch out for this particularly are dye bleed issues. So many cleaners are told that these cannot be cleaned with water because they'll bleed. The reason for that is, as you can see, there's all that extra material. If we start to get these extra fibers really wet, it may prolong the dry time, and you do have a risk then of dye bleeding or running and having all these different colors on the surface of the fabric. One thing to watch out for is you can see anyway through use over time, see those lines that are going down like this. You can kind of faintly make out lines going up and down in the material because that's the material behind it. And what happens is over time, even though there's no dye bleed, over time, because of sitting on it, you're making an impression and it's kind of telegraphing through to the front of the material, causing you to see a little bit of distortion with those lines, which is just a characteristic of the material. Nothing wrong whatsoever. It just ages that way naturally. So we'll have these two pieces here. We'll be very careful in cleaning them, and we'll get them back to their owners. So Jacquard fabric is just a type of weave that was popularized about 200 years ago. A nice note about Jacquard is that the process to use these, the loom, was basically a large punch card, but they had different holes in it. And when it came to the right hole in the right spot, it would pull that color fabric up and then back down. So believe it or not, the great-great-great-great-grandfather of this material was the forerunner to computer technology with a punch card, on, off, and it's pretty cool to think about that it started with fabric like this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.